Imagine a fleet of invisible machines, smaller than a grain of pollen, patrolling your bloodstream. This isn't science fiction. Nanobots are real, and they're reshaping the future of medicine. In this episode of Tomorrow Today, we explore what nanobots are, how they work, what they treat, and whether they're ready to enter mainstream healthcare. Nanobots are microscopic machines, typically between 50 and 100 nanometers wide. That's thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair. They're engineered to perform specific tasks inside the human body, detecting disease, delivering drugs, repairing tissue. Unlike traditional robots, nanobots don't have wheels or arms. They're built from molecular components, sensors, motors, and payloads, all designed to operate at the cellular level. Most nanobots are injected into the bloodstream. Once inside, they navigate using chemical gradients, magnetic fields, or DNA-based logic gates. Some are programmed to seek out specific cells, like cancer cells, and release treatment directly at the site. Others act as scouts, detecting biomarkers and transmitting data wirelessly to external devices. MIT's latest breakthrough takes this further. Their nanorobots can autonomously identify and destroy cancer cells with surgical precision, leaving healthy tissue untouched. It's not just miniaturization, it's intelligent control at the molecular level. Nanobots are being tested in several groundbreaking areas. Cancer treatment, targeted drug delivery with fewer side effects, diagnostics, real-time detection of disease markers, antibiotic delivery, fighting resistant bacteria, neurological repair, regenerating damaged neurons, smart vaccines, adaptive delivery systems that respond to immune feedback. MIT's nanobots lock onto cancer cell markers, deliver a therapeutic payload, and trigger self-destruction. Healthy cells remain untouched. That's the leap, precision medicine without the collateral damage. Imagine a child with a rare genetic disorder, receiving treatment from a nanobot designed just for them. No surgery. No systemic side effects. Just precision healing at the molecular level. This is the promise of nanomedicine. Not just innovation. Transformation. Nanobot deployment raises critical questions. What happens if they malfunction or misidentify cells? Could internal diagnostics be misused by insurers or governments? Will these technologies be available globally or only to the wealthy? How do we ensure patients understand what's inside their bodies? These aren't just technical challenges. They're moral ones. The nanomedicine market is projected to reach $31.4 billion by 2030. But adoption will depend on regulation, cost, and public trust. Initial recipients are likely to be high-risk patients, those with aggressive cancers, cardiovascular disease, or chronic conditions. Over time, nanobots could become routine tools in diagnostics and treatment. But will they democratize healthcare or deepen the divide? Nanobots represent one of the most exciting frontiers in medicine. They're precise, powerful, and potentially transformative. But as with all technologies, their impact will depend not just on what they can do, but on how we choose to use them. Would you trust a machine you can't see to heal you? Let us know in the comments. This is Tomorrow Today. Exploring tomorrow today.